Today we will learn how to install Python on the on Windows 10 basically, right? So I am running the Windows 10 on my laptop, right? So open your browser and type Python, right? And click on the link www.python.org. Click on this link and you are redirected to the official website of Python, and click on the downloads. Click on the Windows and click on this button, Python 3.8.3. Basically it is a basic latest version of Python, right? Click on this link and download it and install on your system this, right? And I already downloaded it, right, on my system, right? Once you download and install, and you can check here also, right? Python hyphen version, right? You can check here in command prompt. So you can see that Python 3.8.3, right? And this is the latest version of Python. And one more thing, you will have to download PyCharm IDE of Python. I'm using PyCharm. Click search the PyCharm, right? And click on www.jetbrains.com. Click on this link and click on the downloads, Windows downloads. And because I am running Windows 10, right? So there are two versions, professionals and community. It is a premium version, it is a free version, free and open source. So I download this version, right? Download. You can download this version, download and install on your system, right? Because I already downloaded this file in our system, so I don't need this, right? So once you download both the things, Python and PyCharm, and install, then open your PyCharm IDE, right? And I created the project name Python Web, right? Click on this, right? Click on the Python file. Type hello, enter. Write Python command. Type hello world, right? Click on the run. Click on the hello. You can see that it is printing hello world, right? You can also use for Python for PHP HTML development, right? You can create on the HTML file, right? Type hello HTML file. You can see that this is the HTML, basically HTML structure, right? You can type here, suppose heading 2, and type hello world, right? And once you run this using the browser, I will open this in Chrome browser, and it will basically print hello world, right? So it is using the HTML basically. Now it print the hello world, right? So you see that how uh, Python IDE works for Python also, and you can also do the web development in the Python IDE PyCharm, right? So you see that how download the Python and PyCharm and Windows 10, right? And install, configure, and run the basic command, basic code of Python and HTML, right? So thank you for watching.